Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Chatcast. I'm Ben, and I'm here with my co-host, Anna.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and we're so excited you're here.
Before we jump into today's English lesson, we have a very quick but incredibly important favor to ask you. Please take just a moment to like this video and subscribe to the English Chatcast channel.
That's exactly right. Hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel is incredibly important for us. When you engage with our videos, it sends a powerful message to the YouTube algorithm. It tells the platform that our English lessons are valuable, high quality, and helpful for your learning journey. That interaction pushes our videos out to thousands of other English learners all over the world who might really need them. Your amazing support is the only reason we're able to keep producing these free lessons for you every single week. So please hit that subscribe button right now.
We truly appreciate every single one of you. Our community is growing so fast, and it's honestly amazing to see. Normally, Anna and I would sit here in the studio and chat about my diving trips to the Philippines or her adventures exploring the landscapes of China and India, but today we promised we would keep the conversation to a minimum.
That's right. We are both 22 and have a million travel stories to tell. But we know you clicked on this video to practice your speaking skills. So we are skipping the long stories today and getting right into the lesson.
I completely agree. Today, we're diving straight into another highly requested shadowing lesson. If you are joining us for the first time, physical mouth muscles and your brain to use proper English pronunciation, intonation, and natural rhythm.
It's hands down the most effective way to sound completely natural when you speak. We're going to explain exactly how this works for you. You're going to hear each phrase or sentence twice, and you should repeat the phrase or sentence you heard while following the captions on the screen.
We've prepared 3 different sets of exercises for you today. The first set will be easy. The second set will be a little more difficult, and the third set will be more advanced. All of the sentences we're using today are incredibly practical for everyday English conversation.
They reflect exactly what you might say when talking about yourself, your family, your hobbies, your interests, or your career. I'll start us off with the first sentence in our easy set, and then Ben will take the next one. Are you ready? Let's begin. I like fresh fruit. I like fresh fruit. I like fresh fruit. I like fresh fruit.
My brother loves music. My brother loves music.
We play video games. We play video games.
I work in an office. I work in an office.
He drives a black car. He drives a black car.
My dad enjoys sports. My dad enjoys sports.
I need a new phone. I need a new phone.
She paints beautiful portraits. She paints beautiful portraits.
I walk to the store. I walked to the store.
We have a big kitchen. We have a big kitchen.
Great job, everyone! That's the end of the first set. Remember to speak clearly and project your voice confidently into the room. Don't be afraid of making a mistake while you're practicing.
That's wonderful advice, Anna.
Now we're going to move on to the second set. These sentences will be a little more difficult. They're slightly longer and contain more descriptive words regarding daily routines, family activities, and professional goals. Keep up the excellent work. I am saving money to buy a new bicycle.
I am saving money to buy a new bicycle.
My younger sister is studying to become a teacher. My younger sister is studying to become a teacher.
We usually eat breakfast together on Sunday mornings.
We usually eat breakfast together on Sunday mornings.
I recently started learning how to play the drums. I recently started learning how to play the drums.
Finding a good recipe for dinner is very easy. Finding a good recipe for dinner is very easy.
He enjoys reading mystery novels on the weekend. He enjoys reading mystery novels on the weekend.
My parents are painting their bedroom this weekend.
My parents are painting their bedroom this weekend.
I want to improve my computer skills this year. I want to improve my computer skills this year.
We like visiting the local library on rainy afternoons. We like visiting the local library on rainy afternoons.
She started a small photography business in our city. She started a small photography business in our city.
Fantastic work on that second set. You're doing amazing. Your pronunciation is going to sound so incredibly natural if you keep practicing just like this. Stay focused and keep your energy high.
Now we're ready for our final set. This third set is going to be more advanced. The sentences are much longer and use complex vocabulary to discuss professional growth, family dynamics, and personal development. Take a deep breath, read the captions closely, and repeat after us. Transitioning into a completely new marketing role requires exceptional creativity and patience. Transitioning into a completely new marketing role requires exceptional creativity and patience.
I find that establishing a weekly planning routine significantly enhances my overall productivity. I find that establishing a weekly planning routine significantly enhances my overall productivity.
Balancing my demanding university schedule with my freelance work is an ongoing challenge. Balancing my demanding university schedule with my freelance work is an ongoing challenge.
My older brother recently launched a highly successful technology startup in the city. My older brother recently launched a highly successful technology startup in the city.
Cultivating a strong professional network is absolutely critical for advancing my long-term career. Cultivating a strong professional network is absolutely critical for advancing my long-term career.
I am deeply committed to organizing community events that promote neighborhood sustainability. I am deeply committed to organizing community events that promote neighborhood sustainability.
Immersing myself in challenging nonfiction books is my preferred method for continuous learning. Immersing myself in challenging nonfiction books is my preferred method for continuous learning.
Successfully managing an international logistics team requires clear communication and profound cultural empathy. Successfully managing an international logistics team requires clear communication and profound cultural empathy.
I am currently exploring various real estate investments to diversify my long-term financial portfolio. I am currently exploring various real estate investments to diversify my long-term financial portfolio.
Participating in intensive leadership seminars ensures that my management skills remain highly competitive. Participating in intensive leadership seminars ensures that my management skills remain highly competitive.
Fantastic job, everyone! You made it all the way to the end of that advanced set. We know that was a lot of hard work, but we're incredibly proud of your dedication to improving your English.
It's so true. We highly recommend saving this video and coming back to it a few times this week. Repetition is truly the secret key to mastering a language. The more you repeat these shadowing exercises, the easier it becomes to speak without translating words in your head first.
Thank you all so much for joining us right here in the studio for another great episode of the English Chatcast. We absolutely love having you as a dedicated part of our community.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and remember that learning English with us is a piece of cake.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on the English Chatcast.